So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And all of my tools and toys are out. This is an 8 by 10 inch canvas. I'm going to give myself, hopefully, enough paint. Yay! Oh, it's so hard. Anyway, I'll touch that up later if I need to on the edges. I'm just going to give myself the things that I love right now. And find my glasses, because everything's looking kind of fuzzy. I don't know that you can layer cell activator, so I'm not going to do that, but I got some pretty colors. I want to get some more of my colors in the center, because I know that what's on the outside edges will most likely get dumped away, and I kind of don't like that about it. So this has got to be my last painting. Maybe it'll be lucky. And that'd be nice. I have some blue I didn't use very much of. I also have this mica powder from my Amazon link, which is really gorgeous. It dried overnight, very pretty. And my favorite two colors really, okay, I was gonna say, are the magenta and the turquoise. This is a Primary Elements color shifting. Well, I don't know if it's color shifting. I believe it's color shifting. It's like peacock or something. And this is got golden iridescent fine along with magenta fluid. And there's a lot of stuff there that I like. This is a Grumbacher Prussian blue mixed with 3/4 Floetrol at least. And this is a color shifting cell activator from Folk Art. Same recipe, and my recipe is underneath the video. And I want to get some of this stuff out of my way really quickly. And I want to swipe, but what I want to do first is make whatever paint I need go all the way to the edges as best I can. You know, I'm very tempted. Yeah, I am. I'm very tempted. I gotta find out. What happens when I use an edge catcher to flow my potentially cell activated. Ooh, it covered the edge. Wow, I'm impressed. I don't want to stick my finger in there though. I'm gonna have to. Maybe a thumbnail? I just cut my thumbnail too. Darn. So this is going to let me get those colors all the way across the canvas, and who cares about cells at this point? Wow, that's awesome. I'm going to rock my edge catcher, and when I peel it back it covers the edge, which is really neat. So what this is for over here, oh come on, is to pour paint off, and I put it right in the other paint. But I think I'm going to continue on just the way I have been and let that paint continue to cover. I'm going to let it roll down like I usually do with fluid acrylics. And then I'm going to push it back on and let that edge catcher do the same thing it's been doing. And if I don't want to swipe, I won't. Because this is cool. I don't really want to lose that gold thing in the upper corner. Oh well. Come on, flip over. This is a new technique as far as blooms go, not as far as I go. So all my paint's still on there. Wow. I'm just going to rest that right here for right now. Have a spin around. I might want to take a picture of that. That's pretty cool. That's for future reference. Alright, so I've got paint leaking off my sides, which I can actually put on the missing spots. And that's working. So long as you sort of invert your finger when you do it, it works. As soon as you dig up the pillow paint, not so much. But the pillow paint is black in this case, so that's okay. Do I really want to swipe that? Oh my goodness, I don't think so. That's so cool. Maybe we'll play a little bit. Cautiously. Trying not to ruin anything. Huh. And if I do, I can always swipe. I can't pour any of those colors away. I just can't do it. And I can't do what I wanted to do there either. But I do have the option to steal some of that paint off the edge catcher and just put it right on that side right there. Not much more option than that. Whoops, that wasn't good. That was my elbow right in the painting. Alright, we'll use a little bit of that. Actually, we won't. I'll just put that right down on top of the paint in my catcher container. Scrape off my lovely little tool. Get rid of this. I had two there we go. I've got two cottage cheese container lids. And I'm going to be dripping paint for quite a while, I think. Come on, separate. And now I get to decide what I want to do, because I got 9 minutes left. So I could torch that and we could see if there was going to be any cells. But I'm kind of inclined to see what else I can do. Oh gosh, this is so cool. I just want to keep playing. But I like the negative space. And I know if I wanted to swipe at any given moment, I'm going to make a mess. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, I'm still tipping, but the colors are fabulous. And very messy. I'm going to be over here for a second, getting some paint off my hands and drying them up. And I guess I'm going to swipe. The question is, do I want to swipe with the card that I made for curves? And the answer is yes, I do. In order to do that, I'm going to have to clean it off really quickly. And I have a ShamWow. Oh well, live and learn. That's not drying off very quickly, I gotta say. So, can I really do this? Do I want to really do this? What color do I want to use? Do I have another curvy card somewhere? And I kind of do. Alright, so, oh gosh, that's so hard. Well, in for penny, in for pound. We'll see what happens when we start. Other than getting a dog hair right in the work immediately. So that did nothing at all. Maybe I waited too long. I'm going to use some white. Didn't really put any yellow in there. I wonder if it would stay like that. I so do not want to ruin this, and you've got to know that's the truth. So far, so good. I'm so close to stopping at any given moment. I can't even tell you. And scrape that off, dry it off. I think my little white spots are going to stay. Without the dog hair. I might even be tempted to put them back. Hello, my dog visitor. Alright, so I know, I'm indecisive right now because it's so cool. I can't make up my mind. I see a little line there. I know, I said they'd stay and then I made them go away. I've got some gold. I'm so sure I'm going to run out of time soon. That gold is 24 karat gold and it's supposed to be a cell activator, but it doesn't work for me. I don't know why not. But right now it's working as gold very well. And I know what I had was simple and perfect, but I don't think what I've got now is so far off that I'm going to complain. And I've got some balance, and it is what it is. Oh boy, now I have to decide if I'm going to torch. I like it. I like it so much I can't do anything else to it. I've already done whatever I can. I've got little cells in here and some over there, and we'll probably get some now. Gotta be careful if you do this. But it will bring up the cells. And it's making some really awesome patterns. And I'm just moving really fast. And melting my dog food bag. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida saying, if you like my experiments, please watch the videos longer. It's what the YouTube algorithm understands that will help me out to stay at YouTube and bring you guys more videos. I love you guys incredibly much. Thank you for all the thumbs up, all the wonderful comments to keep my morale going. It's working. Thank you for the binge watching. That's definitely helping out some. If you're looking under the video, you'll find Teespring Clothing, where you can find all of our print t-shirts and all of our print leggings, and Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. You can find my paint pouring recipe and my bloom recipe, and on my channel header you will find icons for PayPal and Patreon if you want to be included in the monthly drawing. It's a $10 minimum. There's 8 paintings, 2 books, and a lesson. The drawing winner gets to choose one of those prizes. I have over 1,000 videos, and you can find my created playlists. You can find them organized by the 100 and by genre. And boy, I just love this. I just love it. And I'm so glad you guys were here. Thank you so much for being here. If you're looking for a Facebook group for students, it's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. If you're looking to see some of the edited dry artworks from YouTube videos, look in Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. And if you think you might be interested in finding out what I've put on my Shop Now button that links you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more. I'm sure I've forgotten something, but it's time for me to clean up and go in, and thank you again for being here. You guys inspire the heck out of me. That was maybe a little slow, but I love my results. So it might not be a typical bloom, but there's a lot of nice little cells in there, and I'm very pleased. And I love you guys. Let's make sure I can get all of that in the picture. Yes, I can, and zoom in as close as I can. Alrighty. I'll see you guys anon. If you want to find tomorrow's videos, look on my community board on my channel or on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I'll see you soon enough, hopefully tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla out.